Hey everybody, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your iPad to a TV using HDMI. It's pretty simple, so let's just get into it. So to connect your iPad to the TV, you're going to need four things. Obviously, you're going to need your iPad and your TV. You're also going to need an HDMI cable. And in order to connect the HDMI cable to your iPad, you're also going to need a USB-C to HDMI adapter. For this, I have two adapters that I've tried and recommend. The first adapter I recommend is just a straight HDMI to USB-C adapter. This one is by a brand called Anchor. They make really good USB-C chargers and adapters, and this one is no different. This one displays up to 4K at 60 FPS. The one problem with it though is that you can't charge your iPad while it's connected, so it's not really great to use for long extended periods of time. If you want to charge your iPad and display it at the same time, then the second adapter that I recommend is the official Apple USB-C to HDMI multi-port adapter. The reason I recommend the official Apple one, even though it's a little bit more expensive, is because a lot of the knockoffs are just really bad quality. They just won't even work right out of the box. And this one, you're going to know that it'll pretty much always work. Again, it's really high quality and can display up to 4K at 60 FPS. If you want to pick up either of these two adapters, I'll leave links to them at the top of the description. So what you'll want to do is connect one end of the HDMI cable into your TV, then connect the other end into the adapter, and then connect the adapter to your iPad. Once everything's connected, change your TV input to whatever HDMI you plugged in, and in most cases, if your iPad is turned on, it should start displaying to your TV right away. If it works, you should also see a blue dongle icon and a TV with an arrow on it in the top corner. Now, for most people, when your iPad is connected, you are going to get black bars on the side of your TV, and that's just because your TV and your iPad are most likely in a different video aspect ratio. Basically, your TV and your iPad screen are different shapes. Now, let's say your iPad screen doesn't show up on your TV or the picture doesn't look very good. One solution is to go into your settings, and then click on Display and Brightness. And then here under Connected Displays, you should see your TV. Go ahead and click on that. And from here, you can choose between High Dynamic Range and Standard Dynamic Range. So switch to whichever one is not selected and see if that makes a difference. So that's pretty much it. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.